Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a clickable link into a rich text module in HubSpot. Whether you're updating a web page, crafting a blog post, or designing an email, being able to add links seamlessly gives you control over your content and lets you guide visitors where you want them to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident adding and customizing links in HubSpot, and trust me, it's a skill you'll use all the time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your content editor inside HubSpot. So, pull up the draft of the page, blog post, or email where you want your new link to appear. If you're not sure how to get to the editor, just head to your HubSpot dashboard and either create new content or select something existing to edit. This part's important. You need to be working within an editable rich text module, because that's where all the link magic happens. Once you're in the editor, find the rich text module at the spot you want to work with. In HubSpot, these modules are flexible sections where you can add and style text, images, and other elements. Go ahead and click directly on the module, as you'll see the editing tools pop up. If your content has multiple modules, just double-check that you're in the right one, so your link ends up exactly where you want it. Now, you need some text to turn into your clickable link. This is your anchor text, basically the words people will see and click on. For example, it could be something simple like, "Learn more," or maybe "Contact us here," or even the name of a product. Type out your desired anchor text in the rich text editor. Once you've got it, use your mouse to highlight just that piece of text. This step is important because HubSpot needs to know which text you want to make clickable. If you don't highlight the anchor text first, the editor won't know where to put the link. With your anchor text highlighted, take a look at the formatting toolbar above your text. You're looking for an icon that looks a bit like a tiny chain link. That's the Insert Link tool. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up the link configuration window, and now we get to customize exactly where this link sends your visitors and how it behaves. In the Insert Link dialog, start by adding the URL you want people to visit. Make sure to paste in the full address, beginning with https:// for example, https://www.hubspot.com. This tells HubSpot exactly where to send anyone who clicks your anchor text. Next, use the Link to drop-down menu. This lets you pick whether you're linking to an external website, another HubSpot page, or even an anchor point on the same page. If you're just sending folks off to another website, choose External URL. If you want to keep them within your site, select a HubSpot page instead. There's an important option here: Open Link in New Window. If your link sends people to an external site, it's best practice to check this box. That way, visitors won't leave your website entirely. A new tab will open, and your own page stays open in the background. It's a simple step, but it keeps your audience connected with your content for longer. You might see a few other advanced options here, like setting a URL attribute for SEO, or adding query parameters for tracking campaigns. Most users can skip these, but if you're running a marketing campaign or care about optimizing your site for search engines, take a moment to set these up. For example, marking a link as no follow prevents search engines from following it, which can help shape your SEO strategy. Once all your details are set, the final step is to click the blue Insert button. After you do this, your anchor text will transform into an active, clickable link, styled based on your site's design. Take a moment to double-check and make sure the link works as intended. And don't worry if you need to tweak something, you can always go back and edit. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a link into a rich text module in HubSpot, opening up a world of interconnected content. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit like below. Share your thoughts or any questions in the comments, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another HubSpot how-to. Thanks for watching, and happy linking.